Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about how do you predict state of matter at a specific temperature. Okay. So for example, in question paper, okay, a table is given to you like that, which states the melting point and boiling point. And let's say they're asking you that classify the substances A to F into solid, liquid, and gas. Okay. Now the thing is, how do you know that at which temperature, okay, what exactly substance can be there? You can always predict it by looking at the melting point and boiling point, okay? But there is an easy technique as well. Now, the technique is this that you draw a temperature scale like this. Okay, now how do we do that? Look, so we make a scale like this, okay? Whatever melting point is given, we write like this and we write the temperature over here. And whatever boiling point is there, we do it like this and we mark it BP. Okay, and we write the temperature over here. Okay, and we know melting point means this is the point at which the solid becomes liquid, and boiling point is the temperature at which the liquid becomes gas. Yeah, so the state of matter that we'll get before melting point would be solid only, and in between melting point and boiling point, it would be liquid only. Okay, and after boiling point, it would be gas only. Yeah. So let's solve the first question, okay? The first question is this, that the melting point is minus 188 degrees Celsius and boiling point is minus 42 degrees Celsius. So we draw a scale over here like that, okay? And then we'll mark it melting point here and boiling point here. Now they're saying that what would be state of matter at room temperature, okay? Over here the room temperature they have given is 30 degrees Celsius. However, scientifically, the room temperature is always taken to be 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, what you'll do is you'll spot in the scale over here where the 25 degrees Celsius would actually be. So it would be after 42 degrees Celsius, let's say somewhere over here. Yeah. Okay, so you will say, because the blue thing or before melting point it's all solid, after that it's all liquid, and after the boiling point it's all gas. So you can easily tell that this one is a gas, right? I hope now you can do different questions using this method.